Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is European Commission proposes €45 billion Ukraine support for 2026 and eases drone procurement to boost defense capabilities. The European Commission has taken preparatory steps to implement a €90 billion Ukraine support loan aimed at strengthening Ukraine's financial stability and defense capabilities. The initiative focuses on accelerating procurement and addressing urgent needs for 2026 and 2027. The Commission proposed mobilizing €45 billion for Ukraine by the end of 2026. The remaining portion of the loan is planned for disbursement in 2027. The proposal follows a positive assessment of Ukraine's financing strategy submitted in March 2026. It will now be presented to the Council for adoption before funds can be released. Officials said the funding is designed to address Ukraine's external financing gap and defense requirements. It will complement contributions from international donors and align with broader support efforts. The proposal sets out a division between budgetary support and defense-related spending. Up to €16.7 billion will be allocated for budget support, while €28.3 billion will be directed towards strengthening Ukraine's defense industrial capacity. Budget support will be provided through the Ukraine Facility and macro-financial assistance mechanisms. The Commission said this funding will be subject to conditions related to the rule of law, anti-corruption measures and economic resilience. In parallel, the Commission approved measures to accelerate defense procurement. It adopted a decision allowing Ukraine to use derogations for drone procurement. Officials said the measure is intended to ensure rapid access to critical equipment. The Commission noted that Ukraine's defense depends on the timely availability of key systems in sufficient quantities. The derogation will support initial urgent procurement efforts. Additional measures covering other defense products, including missiles and ammunition, are expected in the coming months. The proposal outlines next steps for implementation. Member states will decide on allocations once the Council adopts the legal framework. Following approval, the Commission will proceed with borrowing on financial markets to fund the initiative. Further operational arrangements will be finalized with Ukraine and member states. The European Union and its member states have already provided €195 billion in support to Ukraine since the start of the war. This includes €3.7 billion generated from immobilized Russian assets. Officials said the Ukraine support loan is expected to cover two-thirds of Ukraine's financing needs for 2026 and 2027. Continued international support, including commitments from the G7, remains essential for the program's success. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.